Guys, what we're looking at here are the before pictures for Alex Fortey, The Art of Simple Golf. And here he is,
Hey.
4 months post-transplant.
This is nuts.
Hey man.
This is
Isn't that
really
awesome?
nuts. Like, shocking, really.
Yeah, guys, he's about 50% growth, just over 4 months post-transplant. There's the crown and front before. Look at those areas. And we did multi-unit hair grafting, one procedure. Have a look at this one procedure. This is 4 months in. Look at that area filling in. Look at that natural swirl pattern. See how those hairs are sitting down? Come around to the front. Look at that. Now look at all this area in here. I'm going to just comb through this and sort of show you guys. The transplant hair is quite short at the moment, which is normal at this stage. It's got to get caught up. But that area is basically already filled in on the front and the crown area. It's fantastic. Look how thick this is. So this is going to continue to mature right through until we're, 12 months post-transplant. It's absolutely fantastic, man. You must be pumped, huh?
No, I'm just delighted. And the fact, just knowing every day it's getting a bit better,
Yeah.
it's just astounding. So,
Yeah.
I can't thank you guys enough.
Thank you, man. Yeah, really excited. It's awesome.
For a free evaluation, call PAI at 888-724-5129 or go to WeGrowHairIndy.com.